50 plus 2 lakhs 55 lakhs 12 lakhs 12 lakhs kada nana is it 12 lakhs
Yes, ma'am.
now this is my total variable cost now next heading is my fixed expenses next one is my fixed expenses so I want only fixed expenses into consideration I want only fixed expenses into consideration amma 10% fixed 20% fixed avi fixed kaadu avi consider cheyanu fixed ane cost avi consider cheyanu so only fixed అనేవి మాత్రమే fixed cost కిందకి తీసుకోవాలి that is variable overheads కింద ఇచ్చారు చూడండి మా fixed overheads అని variable overheads కింద fixed అని ఇచ్చారా that is the first fixed cost so what is that fixed overheads about fixed means what is mean by fixed fixed will be remaining constant whatever may be the production right so it is not only 1 lakh here it is also 1 lakh in this case also so fixed remains constant in all the levels of production now last one note ichar chudandi do the budgeting for 6000 and 8000 assume that administration expenses are fixed overheads so administration expenses are what fixed overheads so admin expenses 50,000 when it is fixed here it is fixed even here it is even fixed here so that's how my fixed cost also I have recorded so please tell me what is your total fixed cost my total of fixed cost is equal to 1,50,000 now the last and the most important is semi variable expenses this one we call it as semi variable ani anochu we will call it as semi fixed whatever it is a when I use the word semi it is a combination of fixed with the variable okay na semi variable semi fixed and etima it is a combination of both fixed with the variable so first I take how many he gave one he gave selling expenses the other one he gave distribution for these two 10% 20% అన్నారు కదా అలా పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వాటిని మనం సెమీ వేరియబుల్ అని అంటాం ఎందుకంటే he says selling expenses 10% fixed means 90% is a variable అలాగే సెల్లింగ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ 20% ఫిక్స్డ్ అన్నాడు అంటే 80% is a variable అనే కదా అర్థం so that is what here I will keep this calculation to be the last so first one is what selling expenses how much is said fixed ma 10% fixed and cost per unit how much he gave cost per unit how much he gave 30 yeah 30 per unit so 30 per unit for 10,000 units how much ma'am 1,30,000 second one distribution expenses
20% fixed.
Distribution expenses he gave 20% fixed cost per unit is equal to 7 per unit this 7 I multiply only with 10,000 units I am not multiplying here I am only multiplying with the given data వాడు ఇచ్చిన డేటాకి మాత్రమే మల్టిప్లై చేశాను ఈ రూల్ నేను ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేయను దిస్ రూల్ I don't apply here only for this one I will do now all the expenses I have taken it down all the expenses now total of semi variable expenses is equal to 2 lakhs now therefore total cost 1 plus 2 plus 3 12 lakhs plus 1,50,000 plus this one is equal to 15 lakhs 50,000 so 15 lakhs 50,000 is this one this is given data I have arranged it very neatly wherein it was mixed up I have arranged all the variable at one side all the fixed at 8,000 units. So variable అనేది it always varies according to the number of units kadama. The cost per unit is going to be same. So these four factors simply I'll multiply. Everyone keep the calculators in front of you. 6,000 units into 70 is equal to 6 7s are 42. So 4 lakhs 20,000. 8 7s are 8,000 into 70. So 5 lakhs 60. Next 6,000 into 25. 1 5. Then 8,000 into 25. 2 lakhs. Then 6,000 into 20. 1 lakh 20. And here it is 1 lakh 60. And this one 5 rupees into 6. 30,000 ma? So this is 30,000 and this is 40,000. So that's how I'm going to total my variable. And this one fixed is common. Whether whatever may be the levels of production, fixed is always common. So that's why I have taken earlier itself. Malli this was also there. Please add the total and tell me how much it is going to be. So here it is going to be same 1 lakh 50. 1 lakh 50. This is chapali nana. 7 lakhs 20. This one 9 lakh. Now everyone pay attention here. Everyone pay attention. This is very easy now. Variable varies according to the cost, according to the number of units. So my cost was common here. Only my price changed because the units have changed. So 70 into 6,000, 70 into 8,000, 70 into 10,000. My fixed is common in all the situations, so I did that. But now coming down to the semi-variable, everyone please pay attention here. Semi-variable, it is a combination of what? Combination of what? Variable with the fixed. Which one always remains fixed ma? Constant ఏది ఉంటుంది? Fixed cost. So fixed cost నేను separate చేయాలి కదా first. I have to separate it or not. So that's why from the selling expenses and from the distribution expenses, I am separating fixed cost. So selling expenses actually how much was the total cost according to the given 10,000 units? 1 lakh 30 kada. If 1 lakh 30 no, how much is the fixed annado? 10%. So 1 lakh 30 no divide into 2 parts. 10%, 90%. So 1 lakh 30 no 10% means how much ma? 13,000, right? Balance is how much? 13,000. If you minus it is going to be 1,17,000, right? Now, which remains constant? This one will remain constant, no? The same you do. Distribution expenses enter 70 and fixed is how much? 20% is the fixed. So divided 20, 80. So 20 is equal to 14,000 and this one is equal to 56,000. Which one will remain constant ma? Into 13 will be constant. This no 14,000 will be constant, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming down to 6,000 units. I'm doing about 6,000 units. I'm doing about what? 6,000 units. So selling expenses 10% fixed as usual 13,000. As usual 13,000. But whereas 90% I don't know. ఈ cost ఏదైతే ఉందో అది 10,000 units. But I want only for what? 6,000. ఈ 1,17,000 variable 7,000 అయితే for 6,000 units how much? Cross multiplication. 1,70,000 into 6,000 divided by 10,000 units. 1,70,000 into 6,000 divided by 10,000 units is equal to how much? 70,000. Now fixed of 10%, 90%. Total you add it now, how much it is going to be? 83. This is clear. Now I got it this one for 83,200. Now I have to find out for this one also now. So now this is for 8,000 units. As usual, selling expenses 10% fixed is equal to 13,000. Now I will do the same. 10,000 ki 117,000 అయితే now I want for how many units ma? 8,000 ki how much? So please calculate how much it is going to be. 8,000 into 1,70,000 divided by 10,000. 93,600. So total is equal to how much ma? 600. 1,06,600. Is this clear, boys? Is this clear? Now coming down to the distribution. Again I am doing for 6,000 units. Indra fixed is how much I said? Fixed will be common now. Fixed will be common in all the situation. So here also distribution expenses 20% fixed is equal to 14,000. Now for 10,000 units variable is how much? 56,000 అయితే for 6,000 it is how much? Calculate it. 56,000 into 6,000 divided by 10,000. 33,600. So together if I add it is going to be how much? 47,600. Now the same I am going to go with how many units? 8,000 units. So same distribution for 20% fixed is equal to 14,000. Now complete the same equation mark. For 10,000 if it is 56,000. For 8,000 it is equal to how much? 56,000 into 8,000 divided by 10,000. 44,800. So therefore together is equal to 58,800. Is this clear, boys? So these two parts are very simple and easy, but the main part you have to pay attention is for semi-variable, because from the semi-variable fixed you have to separate, then cross multiply, then add fixed expenses, then it becomes a total of semi-variable or semi-fixed cost. So please add this total now. 800, 0, 9, 1,30,000. And this one 0, 0, 15. Now please add the total here. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1,38,000, 1,15,000. 10 lakh. Okay, so that's it. Is this clear of children?